So I'm currently filming a Princess Leia bun tutorial. So as you can see, I'm filming in the garage. So have my lights plugged in, got that. The car is obviously on the drive instead. Little note there just to remind me of something. And yeah, why I'm not wearing socks is ridiculous because I'm absolutely freezing. So yeah, I'll show you the hairdo now. Here you go. It's not perfect by any means. As you know, I am pretty crap with all this stuff, but I thought it'd be a fun thing to give a go. I tried to copy her makeup a little bit as well because she doesn't like, she wore too much blusher in Star Wars as well, and she wore kind of like a pinky tanny type lip, which it doesn't look like on the camera actually, weirdly. So yeah, I didn't have any Princess Leia outfits, obviously. I do have a gold bikini, but I wasn't really up for a gold bikini, particularly in this cold garage, so just wore like a white polo neck because she wears that white outfit. So yeah, so that will be going up on the channel soon. Sorry I haven't vlogged this morning. I just couldn't get out of bed this morning. I delayed my alarm about 20 times, pressed snooze about 20 times. And just have, you know, in the morning you have those really vivid dreams. I don't know whether it's because you're really asleep or because you're kind of half awake, I'm not sure, but yeah, I had lots of dreams. So then I just had a bath. I'm taking it easy because yesterday I ended up filming 4 videos, and I think although I felt great because I've been really productive, I think I literally just pushed myself too hard. I was absolutely pooped by the end of it. And Simon should be coming over later, so I don't actually want to be a zombie for him for once. So yeah, I'm just going to maybe film a couple today. Yeah, but I've got lots of ideas because of that video I made the other day. You guys kind of inspired me again, so I'm feeling quite like excited about making videos again, which is nice. How are you guys today? You can't answer, but I presume you're all right. I hope so. So I better crack on with this, and I'll see you in a minute. Right, I'm gonna edit now while watching a really, I imagine this is gonna be a bad film on Netflix. It's filmed during, you know, Ben Affleck's dodgy period of filmmaking, so I can't imagine it's gonna be very good. So we will see, but it's good for background, isn't it? I'll tell you what, the worst thing about being a YouTuber is you pretty much have to look at your face all day and you just see all the flaws and all the things you hate all day. Joy. So I'm still editing because I filmed like 4 videos today. I'm trying to do it so I can actually have a few days off at Christmas and I won't feel like I should be working. I can literally just relax. So I've stocked up and made a few videos in advance. Si's arrived, but he is in gaming mode, so I'll leave him to it. So yeah, I don't know what we're going to do tonight. Sorry, I think this might be the worst vlog of all time, perhaps. But we'll see. Maybe later on it's going to get wild. Hi guys, I've been the worst vlogger ever today. It's because I've filmed 4 videos, so I've been editing them, and now Si's here and we're going to film a video for his cooking channel as well. So he's cooking a lovely vegetable curry, so at some point that will be on the Hungry Sizzle. I was a little bit naughty when we went to Tesco's to get supplies for dinner. Ended up buying these, which Fizzy Laces or Lances, excuse you, pretty much the best sweeties in the whole land. And then these were only £1, so I kind of had to get them as well. But then these were also £1, so I had to get that as well. Am I a terrible person? I am probably quite terrible. Shall we check in with Si? Is he allowing us to check in, or am I gonna?
I'm currently peeling a sweet potato, so it's probably not the most exciting viewing at the moment.
But there he is, there's the hunk himself. Hunk. Why have I got such a red nose today?
I don't know.
Oh, what does it mean? Is someone talking about me, or am I lying?
You've got a sore nose.
Oh, I've just got a sore nose.
You've been rubbing it too much.
Too much rubbing.
Too much rubbing of the nostril.
Nostril rubbingy. Yeah, anyway, look at these cauliflower things. I hate cauliflower, PS, but Si manages to make things that I hate taste a whole lot better, but have a look. There you go.
In fact, I might give them a little mix up in a minute.
Little mix up.
Little mix.
Can we put little mix on?
If you want.
Yay!
Yes, up.
On his knees where he belongs. Mustard seeds everywhere.
We've got a mustard seed disaster.
I'll press that, shall I? Flip your hair back and forth. Whee! It's chaos. You should have called your thing that. Kitchen chaos.
Kitchen chaos.
Oh.
Kitchen chaos.
See, you got the jingle sorted. Kitchen chaos.
Kitchen chaos.
Hey, shall we do a harmony?
Kitchen
chaos. Kitchen chaos. Oh. This is horrendous. I need to stop.
Are you actually recording this?
Yes.
Oh my lord. I want it on frozen.
Yeah. This is our soundtrack to cooking tonight. Keeping us motivated, keeping us moving. But check out how good this looks.
Bombay.
I'm a walking woman sometimes. Oh, get my belly. Guys, I've just worked out. Why is this not focusing? Yeah, I've just worked out that a raspberry looks like a little fairy's beanie. Doesn't it? Look, you could just put it on their little head. Imagine, like that. But a smaller head. Am I weird? I'm weird, aren't I?
Terribly weird.
We're just about to have Angel Delight though, aren't we? Which is delightful. Hi guys, sorry I haven't vlogged this morning. It's Mum's birthday, so we've just been giving her some presents, things like that. And we've also launched Simon's YouTube channel, The Hungry Sizzle. Go and check it out. The intro video is now live, so that just tells you a little bit about what he's going to be doing on it. So yeah, we've been doing that this morning as well. Just a little bruise update. Look at it.
Yeah, boiling cabbage not. This is the way forward.
That plus my horrible veins. Looking as sweet. Hi gang, so I've showered, can't be bothered to dry my hair today because I'm feeling a little bit lazy, but we're going to go for a lovely walk, get some fresh air. I'm going to go to one of our favourite spots, which is right near Hampton Court. We usually see lots of doggies there, that's probably the main reason we go there. So if it's pretty, I might film some bits there. Yeah. It is gorgeous. They're all gorgeous doggies. This is like doggy central. Hello. Hello. Hi. Aren't you gorgeous? Hello. Can we say hello to you? Can we? Oh, hi. Oh, he's like that. Oh, hello. Oh, so cute. Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Are you a polar bear? Are you a polar bear? Oh. God. Oh, you're cute too. Oh, look at the little one. Who's this guy? Oh, hello, little one. Hello. 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 Oh. Hello, little enlarge.
Enlarge.
Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, I don't mind. Hello.
What size difference?
Well, that is the reason Charlotte thinks she knows the big stuff.
Oh, hello. Oh, you are adorable, aren't you?
That's my stuff.
Hello.
You've been there the whole day.
Thanks.
Not sure, are you? Not sure. Hi. Hello. You've got quite long legs for a pug, haven't you? So I've ordered a crunchy and chocolate milkshake. Oh yeah. What have you got?
I've got a melon refresher with a massive apple in it.
Mmm.
So,
Good sounds though.
Looks like there's some mistletoe. Do you want to give me a kiss underneath it?
Huh?
Do you want to give me a kiss under the mistletoe?
Nah. Go on then.
That will involve me falling in a river though. Shall we just kiss near it? Mwah!
That's a bit cringe, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, Jeffrey.
Wow.
We're all a bit worried about Dad right now. Oh God. That's quite high actually, isn't it?
Well, it looks like one of those jelly bean sweets, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like something from fucking Iceland.
You bite into a tart. You wouldn't expect a ruby, for goodness sake.
Would like to bite into a tart.
Oh, it's Christmas.
Quick Chinese for Mum's birthday.
You don't have to be old to be loved, do you?
And Gogglebox, beat that. Hi gang, I'm just going to sign off this vlog now. Sorry it's been a bit all over the shop today. See, it's been my mum's birthday and I didn't want to be all worky and like shoving the camera in her face all day, so just had a bit of family time today. Size at the boys' house because they were going to have a little gathering, but I didn't go because I felt, you know, it's Mum's birthday, should stay here. So we just had a nice night in with the Chinese and watched the Strictly final. And Jay won. He's such a sweet boy. Got a little bit mushy watching actually because he's so, what's the word? He doesn't realise how nice and how talented he is. So it's really nice, even though he probably didn't do his best in the final and some of the other dancers did better. I think he's gone on a journey and we all like those journeys, don't we? So congrats to Jay. I don't know why I'm saying that. He's definitely not watching this vlog, but anyway. So yeah, I've exhausted myself with that awesome chat I just had there. So night night. See you in the next vlog, which I don't know when it will be because it's Christmas and I probably don't want to vlog over Christmas. So lots of love. Night night.